Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So today we will learn or discuss about app development. So without wasting any time, let's start. So apps. The word app is an abbreviation for application, or we can say that the word app is a short form of application. An application is a software designed to do a specific job. As we use applications or apps in our cell phone, so every app has its different job, different work. An app enables you to do something specific like paint, draw, read maps and barcodes, take photographs, play games, watch and edit videos, and host of other activities, but within the technical limitation of your device. So these are some specific tasks which you can do with the help of apps. So there are three types of apps. First one is desktop app, second web apps, and third one is mobile apps. So let's discuss about them one by one. So first one is desktop apps. These apps can be used on a desktop or laptop. Generally, they do not need web access and run independently on computer. It means as we use desktop apps like MS Word, PowerPoint, Photoshop, etc. So we don't need any internet for using that type of applications. To run a desktop app, it must first be installed on the computer, desktop or laptop. So as you know, if you want to use any app, you have to first install it in your system. As you know, we have many apps which already installed in our computer system, but as per our requirement, we can install many apps later. The installed app is represented either by an icon on the computer screen or item on the start menu. So as you know, if you want to open any app, so you have to click on the icon. Now what is the meaning of icon? Icons are small images by which you can identify any app. The icon represent about the app. Some examples of desktop application are word processors like MS Word, PowerPoint, MS Excel and many more, or even small apps like Paint or Notepad. So these are some examples of desktop apps. Next one is web apps. These apps require an internet connection. They are usually browser based and stored on a remote server. So it means as desktop apps don't need any internet connection, so in web apps we need a internet connection because web apps works with the help of internet. So user access them like any other web page and then install them on their computer by creating a bookmark to that page. Web applications require minimum device memory as the application lies on the remote server. It means as on desktop apps we have to install the application in our computer system, so they take some place in our memory, but in web application we don't need to install them in our computer, so they take less memory than the desktop applications. So these can be utilized at whatever point needed from any device through the internet. For example, Google Maps, Instant Messenger, etc. These are some examples of web apps or web applications. Next one is mobile apps. These apps run a smartphone or tablet. Mobile apps have responsive web design to adapt to the much smaller size and orientation of the mobile devices. So as you know, if you use a software in your desktop PC just like Photoshop, so it could be of very large size, like it could be of 1 GB or 2 GB or many more. But in mobile, if you install a software, so it will be of less size, like 20 MB or 100 MB, etc. So mobile apps are smaller in size. Some mobile apps may come preloaded on cell phones or tablet. So you are already aware about mobile apps. So some mobile apps are already available in your smartphone just like the desktop apps. So keep in view the device independence feature. Software companies nowadays make diverse versions of the application to be used as desktop apps, web apps or mobile apps. It means nowadays many companies or organizations are making such type of apps which you can use in your desktop PC, in your tablet or mobile phone, or even on the web application. So let's discuss about some of them. First one is Facebook. Facebook has no desktop application as it cannot be used without being connected to the Facebook site. So if you use Facebook on your desktop, so there is no application for a desktop. You need to search Facebook on your browser so that you can use Facebook on your desktop PC. Facebook initially began as a web-based application. Posting messages or videos require you to be connected to the internet. So initially it begins with web-based application. As we use Windows 10, so whenever we click on the start button, we can get the Facebook tile at the start button of Windows 10. So by clicking on this tile, you can open Facebook application. So next one is Facebook is available as a separate app which can be downloaded from the Google Play Store and the App Store. So in mobile phone, you can use different applications of Facebook, like normal version of Facebook, or there is also a Facebook application which is known as Facebook Lite. So you can use both of them by downloading them. Office suites. MS Office is a very good example of desktop based office applications. This includes word processing, spreadsheet and presentation apps. So as you know, we can use MS Word, MS Excel, MS Outlook, MS PowerPoint on our desktop computer very easily. To use this application on our desktop, we just need to install them. We have to install Microsoft Office package. So after installing the Microsoft Office package, we can use all the application of Microsoft Office. Microsoft allows the user to use their web-based Office applications. Google Docs is an Office suite which does not have any desktop equivalent. So it means you can also use some applications of MS Office on your web application, just like Google Docs. Microsoft Office Mobile and Google Docs allow users to work on Office applications and apps. So as you know, we can use Word, Excel, PowerPoint in our mobile phones also, and it will work like your desktop versions. So you can do a lot of work on your cell phones also. Kingsoft and Polaris also have mobile apps for office use. Next one is Maps. Google Maps can be downloaded on the desktop computer. However, this app will only function when the internet access is available. So it means you can download the Google map on your desktop computer, but to use this application you need an internet connection. The browser based Google Maps can be accessed by typing maps.google.com in the address bar of the browser. So if you want to use Google Maps on your web browser, so you can use it by searching with this address. The Google Maps app is available in the Google Play Store. So if you want to use Google Map on your cell phone, so you can easily use it by just downloading it with the help of Play Store, or if you are using a iOS operating system, so you can use it by the App Store. So that is it for today. I hope it's clear. So students, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much.